to you and repent of my sin. Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me. Lord, I turn to you and repent of my sin. Oh, Jesus, Son of David, have mercy on me. Lord, I am yours, save 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 me. The love of the Lord is deep, and the broken and contrite weep. For thy word did unbind my troubled mind. In thy word I did find Christ. Lord, I'm yours. Lord, I'm yours. You saved me.